Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today we are going to unbox and quick check and review the Majin L508 radar tail light. Okay. This was given to me by my wife as a Christmas gift for being a good partner. Okay. Out from the box. And the user manual and the unit itself. Okay. This one is the USB Type-C. And this one is the mounting and the rubbers and the lanyard, safety lanyard. And the unit itself. First impression, maganda yung build quality. Plastic siya, yes, pero for me hard plastic naman. Okay? And ito yung button niya. Sa labas, yung parang round, yung tail light itself. And dito, may parang signal or indicator. Yung tawag dyan ay working indicator. And sa baba, yung radar module. Okay? And yung mounting niya ay sa Majin basic mounting. By the way guys, this is IPX7 waterproof. Mahirap tanggalin yung cover ng charging port. Ayan. Mahirap tanggalin yung cover charging port. Ganyan yung additional safety feature niya. Again, this is actually Type-C. Okay. Out from the box, I believe ay naka-charge na ng 50%. So, start natin. Long press, 2 seconds, 2 to 3. Yan. So, bali yung ano niya guys, yung pagkasunod-sunod niya ay solid, tapos flash, then followed by the pulse, and followed by the peloton group and single radar mode. Okay? And cycle lang. Okay. So, yung measurement niya ay about 3 inches and almost 4 inches by 1.5 inches. Okay? I-try natin i-pair sa Majin C506 na bike computer. Okay. By the way guys, the radar can detect approaching vehicles up to 140 meters. Mga siguro 10 kph to 120 kilometers per hour kaya niyang i-detect. Pero may nabasa ako na pag same ng speed sa rider ay hindi niya mababasa. And the radar is 20-20. 20 sa left, 20 sa right, yung radar beam width niya. So, 40 degrees. So, 20 degrees sa left, 20 degrees sa right. And it can detect 8 vehicles at most. So, payat pag nasa probinsya ka, marami na yung mga 5 vehicles na magkasunod-sunod. Anyway, we will connect this one. And by the way, can you see the working indicator? May nagbi-blink na maliit na light. That is called the working indicator. Diyan makikita pag low bat, pag need charge or fully charged yung unit. Okay guys, so start natin i-pair yung Magine C506 sa radar L508. Okay? From the bike computer, punta lang kayo sa sensors. Then may plus button sa upper right. Click nyo lang yung plus icon. Then hanapin nyo yung radar. Ayan. So currently, searching na yung Magine natin C506. And boom! Nakikita niya yung taillight radar natin. So, pair na natin guys. I think it's okay. So, ito na yung makikita nyo guys. May sensor na icons sa baba. So, meaning, paired na po yan. Ganun lang kadali. So, that's it for now. After ng rainy season, we will try to video kung how accurate siya mag-detect ng mga vehicles incoming and kung how loud yung beep niya every vehicle na madidetect niya and so on and so forth. Okay guys, add ko lang regarding sa working indicator yung light na maliit and kung ano yung meaning. Pag flashes quickly, meaning low bat po yung unit. Pag flashing slowly naman ay charging or full na yung battery. And pag flicker indicator naman, meaning firmware is updating. Tapos pag naka-off yung radar ay walang indicator na magbi-blink. Okay? Tapos pag always on naman yung indicator, meaning static po yung light, ay radar failure po. Wag naman sana. Anyway, yun lang.